Oh, hey, how's it going? Hey, y'all, welcome to T Ham 141 Homestead. My name is Tracy. If this is your first time here, welcome. If it's your millionth time, welcome back. Today, I am going to be using this vodka that I bought like 6 years ago. I got another bottle in case I need it. I don't drink alcohol for recreation, just so you know. I have a jar and I have the ever famous mullein leaf, and we're going to be making a tincture. So we'll go through, we'll make the tincture, and then I'll tell you a little bit about this wonderful plant herb. Okay, now I've rinsed these off, each individual leaf. After 10 minutes of being picked, plants start losing their nutritional benefits. I am going to cut these up. Well, I say cut them up. I am going to break them up. Now you can use the stems, the flowers, even the roots of mullein. Mullein actually is very good respiratory wise. You can, I believe they smoke it. Um, and it's for your lungs and stuff. It has been shown to fight pneumonia. It has antibacterial properties. It has antifungal properties. It has antiviral properties and has been shown to affect the flu. Now, I need to let y'all know I'm not a doctor. I don't even play one on TV. Okay? Just to let you know where I'm coming from, mullein is a very furry plant. And we're just breaking up. Now, I did go through, you can see I ripped out, there were some brown specks from where might have had some bugs eating on it and such. And you don't want that. If my general rule is if I wouldn't put it in my mouth, I'm not going to put it in a tincture to put in my body. Now, you can dry mullein and make a tea out of the leaves. It is very soothing, relaxing, and very good for the respiratory system. Again, this I'm gonna kind of do a trio of plants for antibiotic properties. But I've been wanting to do this for quite a time. Now, mullein is a 2-year plant. It will grow a small plant to the ground the first year, and then the second year, it will, looks like I'm going to have enough. The second year, mullein will grow up to 6 feet with a spire that has yellow flowers on it. And like I said, they all have the whole plant, the flowers, the stem, the roots, the leaves, all have medicinal purposes. Do your own research. Mullein can cause a rash and itching. If it does that for you, don't use mullein. Don't put it inside if it irritates the outside. This is 40% alcohol by volume, 80 proof. If you use a alcohol, you can use rum too. But if you use an alcohol that's 80 proof or higher, it will keep forever. Okay. That's a big shot, man. Now, I just use the cheap vodka as long as it's 80 proof. Because, well, I'm cheap as it is. My garbage man's going to think I had a party. And like I said, I had this for making tinctures for a long, long time. Smells like antiseptic or hand sanitizer. Now I'm going to cover this all the way up. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. All right, that's good. Now I have plenty to make more of other kind of tinctures. Now this is a jar. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is a 1776 bicentennial coffee jar. I'm going to put the lid on there. It was a, and I'm going to shake, 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 Sonora. And I'm going to make sure that all the air is out of it. I am going to, because all those little hairs will hold air, I am going to make sure that it is all soaked. Woo! And now you can see that it's actually up a little higher than it was. So I'm going to go there. All right, now I'm going to let this. How do people drink that? Anyway, I'm going to let this sit for 4 to 6 weeks. The vodka will turn colors. And what the vodka does is it's what they call the solvent. And the solvent will absorb all the medicinal properties from the leaves. This is one reason why I want to learn how to distill vodka to make my own in case of a SHTF situation where I can't get it. Like I said, I do not drink alcohol for recreation. I haven't read on this tincture and doing my prep. I have not read where this is to be put in a dark spot or a light spot. I'm going to put it in my apothecary, which is in my pantry, which is a dark spot. Guys, do your research on this. Okay, it's not hard. Mullein tincture. What uses are there for mullein? What precautions are there for mullein? I will strain it out, and then because of the makeup of the leaves, I'm actually going to press the vodka out of the leaves because I want every bit of that goodness. I got leg itch. I want every bit of that goodness. And my understanding is I should end up with almost as much tincture as the vodka that I put in there. All right, guys. Hey, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I come out with new content. Hey, memberships are only 99 cents to the channel. And I have started all of my scheduled posts will be coming out, as many as I can, unless I'm really behind the gun. They will be coming out early for members. It just really, really helps the channel, that 99 cents a month. Really, really helps the channel. Check out my merch. I'm not wearing any. This is not my shirt. This is a shirt that was given to me years ago. All right. Hey, YouTube's got a video right down here that they say you're going to like because of what you've been watching. And I got a playlist up here, probably my apothecary, that I know you're going to like because you loved this video. All right. Y'all have a great day, and God bless.